Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. This is a kit I would like to enter in the 2023 NASCAR group build. Revell 2006 Dale Jr. Monte Carlo. Took me quite a while to find this kit, but it finally showed up. Kit itself is open, but it's not started. And I specifically, I've never built a NASCAR before. Never have I built a race car. This will be the first one. Let's open it up. All sealed. Everything's there. Okay, cool. Never built a NASCAR. So, decals look pretty good. I wanted to go with a Revell kit over an AMT. My question for the community, do you guys know anybody out there that would be able to make, or currently makes, NASCAR decals? I want decals for a particular race, and there's a reason for that. I want decals for this race in particular. The reason that this race means a lot to me is that born on date, that is my birthday. Any help that you guys could give me, I would truly appreciate, because I would like to jump in to this NASCAR group build. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys on the next one.